Are you struggling to navigate the complex real estate market in Chicago or the suburbs? Whether you're overwhelmed by the buying process or frustrated by the unsold listing, I'm here to help. Today, I want to share why choosing me as your real estate partner will be the best decision you make. Hello, my name is Hugo and I'm with Coldwell and I serve the Chicagoland area, the suburbs, and I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago. With many years of experience in real estate, I pride myself on being knowledgeable, trustworthy, and educator for my clients. Whether you're buying your first home, selling a luxury property, or investing in a commercial real estate, I bring expertise to every transaction. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial. That's why I invest heavily in digital marketing and innovative technology to showcase your property. We utilize professional photos, videos, postcards, brochures, and paid ads across social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube. We even feature your property in print magazines to ensure maximum exposure. Serving the entire Chicago area and suburbs, we include Cook County, Will County, Page, and Lake. We have an excellent team that will go over and beyond just for you. I specialize in the vibrant Lakeview neighborhood. I know the market inside out because I live in this neighborhood. But my expertise doesn't stop at my residential properties. With Paul Pirano Commercial Properties, I also specialize in commercial real estate. Anything from leasing commercial spaces to multi-unit properties and even bigger industrial projects. Whether you're looking to buy and hold or flip homes, I also can guide you and help you every step of the way to ensure that you are not alone in the process of your investment. My commitment to my clients is unwavering. I spend money to make you more money, and I welcome all my clients, from those selling a $10,000 home to those selling $5 million property home. Your success is my success, and if you're ready to take the next step in your real estate journey, give me a call. Let me show you why working with a knowledgeable, experienced, and innovative real estate professional makes all the difference in the world. Again, I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I'm your real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and I serve the Chicagoland and suburbs. Let's make your real estate dreams a reality. Contact me today for any buyer or selling consultation. 773-550-4846. Let's get started.